What if the gods who created the universe were wrong about everything? From the Threads of Silence by Donald Quill will shatter every assumption you have about cosmic fantasy. The Zorani, the first gods, didn't just create the universe. They were the universe, taking its first conscious breath. Beings of pure energy and divine purpose, bound by one unbreakable law, the law of equilibrium. For every creation, an equal force of entropy must exist. Perfect balance, eternal harmony. But what happens when the brightest minds begin to question that law? Malzaryn, once the greatest arbiter of balance, descends into the echoing vaults, a labyrinth of forbidden knowledge buried beneath reality itself. There, he hears something the other gods cannot, the true voice of creation, and it tells him that balance is a lie. The Vathan emerge, not as villains, but as revolutionaries who believe the universe should bend to will, not to ancient restrictions. They forge the Nexarch Crystal, an artifact that can rewrite the laws of reality itself. This isn't a story about good versus evil. This is about order versus ambition, about whether perfection requires constraint, or if constraint itself is the greatest prison of all. Quill writes with the scope of Tolkien and the philosophical depth of the greatest science fiction. Every page asks, what is perfection? Can true creation exist without chaos? And if gods themselves can fall, what does that mean for the rest of us? From the Threads of Silence, The Harmony That Binds All by Donald Quill, available now on Amazon. Because some stories don't just tell you about the beginning of the universe. They make you question what beginning even means.